Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're like me and hate cleaning the floors in your vehicle, then you have to check out these cargo mats from HOUCLEMIC. Now, this is a complete mat set covering everything from the front seat to the back seat, including the trunk cargo space area. These mats were made for the 2025 Honda Pilot. The precision cut literally lines up perfectly throughout the entire vehicle. You can tell that these mats were perfectly designed to fit this vehicle. The TPE material is so durable and so easy to clean. These mats provide all weather protection no matter the season, keeping the interior of the vehicle in pristine condition. I was so impressed with the extra bonus protection that came with these mats too. Not only did it come with the floor mats, but also door sill protectors, and it even included the smallest detail in the cargo area with the left side compartment, providing extra protection for that. The installation literally took a matter of minutes, with the front mats locking in nice and secure with that locking mechanism already installed with the vehicle. The cargo mat provides complete protection whether the seats are folded all the way up, all the way down, or split. It does not interfere. The mats don't hinder us from accessing the tether straps or the anchor points. The openings are located in the perfect location. Having these mats in the vehicle provide us with a peace of mind. No matter what we need to throw in there, we know that they're scratch resistant and easy to clean. So really, we don't worry about what we put in the back anymore. If you want to keep the floors in your vehicle looking like new, I would highly suggest checking out this mat set. They're wear resistant, easy to clean, and keep your car looking in pristine condition. But that's just our point of view.